Oh.
So, what are you guys cooking today? Or tonight, I mean?
What?
Soup.
Chicken. So, we got some soup, canned soup,
Soup.
mixture.
Rice and then coño.
Yeah, and some chili paste.
And Corona.
And,
Oh, yeah.
and Corona.
And Corona.
He's
Hey,
cooking Corona.
And it's kind of raining on us right now, and we
Right.
got back really.
Corn too?
Huh?
Corn. We have a corn.
Oh, we got corn. So yeah, we got a lot of food.
Marshmallow.
So it's actually this guy's birthday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay, we will wait.
Nice.
Few hours? Oh,
When is your birthday? Give me few minutes. Let me think.
let me.
You asked me about around Wednesday, right?
Yeah, that's funny.
So you think in 100 hours. Come on, just in the day, right?
Just in the day.
See that.
Oh. So we're just chilling. It's kind of dark though.
How you later point at the
Yeah.
The soup
Soup
is
is
good.
so good. Thank you. Thank you for the soup. Delicious.
I don't think it's the same as that last night, is it?
No, it's the same actually.
Is it?
The same, yeah.
Can I have the
It's the
recipe?
same.
The recipe, just buy whatever I bought or whatever you guys bought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see secret engine?
Oh, with my poop. With my,
Secret agent? Any secret agent?
my poop. Oh, so good. Man, that's funny. Yeah, thanks for the chicken fry too. Pretty good chicken fry. You're a good cook. Oh, you don't think so? It's pretty good. Wally disagree.
I like it better than KFC.
Yeah, me too.
It's good. Like homemade last night, right? Especially the fries.
That's what we the first two.
Mm.
KFC is good, right? Like what I
Chicken.
said. You already
Chicken wings.
you with the wire.
Take your time.
Now, can I
Alright.
have some more of your soup?
Huh?
Ni ide la ciwa. Bukan chula.
Don't worry, it's our soup, not my soup. Baby Uzi.
What's the answer?
I don't even know.
Like all chip up.
Yeah.
Camera.
Maybe I didn't even.
Oh,
Shoot.
camera! Yeah.
Shoot but never kill. Wow.
You never kill. Camera.
Oh.
I remember now.
That's what I said.
That's what I said.
You and me were the same, baby. That's what I
Mm.
said.
Barbecue time.
Right? Well, you said you and me is one. So you said it, and I said it. That's what I said. You know what I mean?
Today the cameraman. Then my firework cameraman.
Yeah, we can do this.
Huh?
We can do this. Oh,
Let's do cheer. That's Facebook. I mean Instagram.
yeah. We're doing the noisy corn time.
Oh my gosh.
Good time on the way. Yeah. Kill it on the beat.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Dua dah tidak ya? Dua dah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Huh?
I read your guys' mind. Can read you guys' mind. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know you get it. You can't say anything. I was like, yeah, I
You
know.
are sure? Oh, yeah. Aku nak jual lah. Yeah, no.
12 lima.
What time is it? No, not yet.
No? 11?
Yo, you can turn what, 25? 27.
That can't be 25. You went in good park or
25?
Yeah. Oh no, after next month.
Oh, she forget your birthday.
Next 2 months, not next month.
November 21st.
Yay!
Tagal
Yeah.
Put on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's what.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the accent all over the world.
True, that's
Think about it, yo.
true, bro.
Yeah.
Well,
Think
who?
about that, yo.
It's all
Yeah, bro.
together, you know.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, do it over there, yeah. Mom.
Happy birthday,
Dear BluSoe. Happy birthday to you. Ooh. What did you even wish?
Cheers.
Cheers. Eh?
Where's mine?
Bless up, bro. Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Wait, sparkling everywhere. Woo. Nice.
The best birthday ever had.
Mm-hmm. In the rain. Look at that.
I
Woo.
can't find mine.
Birthday camping.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Woo.
Wishes come true.
Oh, love you.
Yeah. Barbecue. Outside the city, by the river. Fire.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Yes.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't remember.
Tony letter chứ đâu.
Yeah, read you guys mind.
No.
Yeah.
No, Tony made it over there.
But the thing I know.
Because you guys have this, you guys pass it around, you pass it to me. How can I not know?
Well, that's why we were talking about it yesterday.
But if
Yeah.
you just pull this one out and that thing just light out, I wouldn't know. But this one come out first. The
The wrong move.
Totally a wrong move.
that.
But that's still a,
Yeah.
a good
But
birthday.
this one, I didn't know. Baby, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
You have to
Ah,
do that
get
first.
a room,
That's
guys.
the best
Ah, let me get in my car now. I'm gonna
Okay,
go.
go.
You know what happened?
No.
I ruin every birthday. All the time I ruin whatever she wanted to surprise me, I ruined it. All the time.
Birthday, Christmas, everything.
Yeah.
Shut Jerry.
I didn't ruin it.
He's
I
saying
found
ruin
it. I found out.
I'm not good at planning it.
Yeah, maybe.
Thank you,
maybe
baby. Which is so good.
Let's try.
How's it? I tell you a story. I tell you a story. We went in the Sunday last Sunday. We got off, right? She didn't have work, and we went eat at the restaurant, a new work.
Oh, she told me she'll tell me about it.
Yeah, like order. We had like appetizer, food, drink, like one each, you know. It was fun. Order no more salad. Order we love. Order tea no relax. Bula peggy there. But and she took off too. She was somewhere, I don't know. Because she worked there, right? I didn't know. Like you ordered the hour gun order book. Order lady. The kids are lady together. Yo, Naya. The kids are lady together. Order we love call it a big dida. Call up what is the tea realize on that. We finished it like 10 minutes ago. We just relaxed. And then she's gone. Mona, she wants pizza. She wants pizza. More she chamo. Like she salad. Like she salad. Look, have you called it? She only wear one shoe. She walk around the restaurant. She didn't even know. I think yeah. Yeah, like pull up chino like all the avocado potty avocado. They all about you call it that meal.
How can you not know?
Lolly just relax for a little bit. She's got to. I don't know where she went. I think let's go. They all work together. The restaurant. I think it's the like got you. The keep on loading. Mother, net them all. Happy birthday to you. And then I look at that guy. He look at me. I look at him. He look at me. I don't know whose birthday. Look, our birthday, his birthday. He said, I don't know about your birthday, about his birthday. Because mine is next week, right? And then he said, he told me it's not my birthday. And I thought it's your birthday because mine is next week. Look, okay. That's mine.
Well, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah. She got me. She got me good, that one.
Yeah.
I was surprised. That was good. And the cake is so good. So tasty.
We went Walmart. After that night, evening, we went back to Pipi's house. She, like, actually, I don't like him. And dog kabir ka, la dog biso kabir ka. Le he ko omen to ho bhai la bakitila he. 하크 자 커피네. 하크 커피다. Where's my shoes? 하크 레로. Yeah. I heard that no that had a BluSoe coffee but who did me go about it?
Yeah.
Corn and dirt session corn. Oh, it's now. Oh, you want to like
Sweet and sour, pretty good. Cheesecake.
No, I brought my shoe. I brought my shoe.
She's already shoot. Yeah, you look at better today.
Good, good. You don't have, yeah. It's not good looking, but it's good tasting.
Yeah, that's the only looking
Good.
good looking thing too.
What do you got? You guys brought it home? You got it brought for town?
Yeah.
No.
Amateur or here?
Here. You didn't know?
No.
No.
I was too busy in the car. I was too busy focusing on something.
When I bought the can, you didn't see it?
No, I didn't see nothing.
Like no, the can, like the
No.
cream.
No, you ordered me yet. This is here. But for the tea, the green tea, the color. How do you call that green?
Well, guys, I think we're just gonna
Thank you.
start eating the corn and then
Thank you for
probably
that.
head to bed after. Probably, eh?
No.
I don't know. We'll see. I think it's too cold for
Party all
bed.
day, party all night.
Party all day, party all night. Yeah, we got all
No.
we'll go all day tomorrow and the next day too. So
Party all night, sleep all day. And then drive all evening.
Well, you guys have a good night.
What do you think?
We didn't do much.
We go check out the fish.
Yeah. Do I,